So I made a video about why women can't find good men. And I received a comment on Instagram along the lines of, what if a woman has found a man in the past and he seemed to be good and then turned out not to be? Is she a bad woman for not trusting any other men in the future? And obviously the answer is no. But you're not doing yourself any favors by not allowing anybody else in because of one bad experience in the past, or 10. It doesn't matter. You have to keep on moving forwards. I'm not saying forget about the past, but I'm saying you have to look forward to the future, because if you allow what happened in the past to affect your future, then you will never ever be able to have a successful relationship or be successful in anything. If I had that mentality, what I allow in the past to dictate my future, I would have never have met my 2 girlfriends, because I didn't meet these women through a friend of a friend. I had to pluck up the courage and approach them and get their numbers. Now, if I had the mentality where, oh, because I was rejected by some girl the day before, I'm not going to approach this girl, it would have never have happened. I would have never have made that move and got their number. So you cannot allow your past to dictate your future. You just take it as a learning curve and try your best to not allow it to happen again. Okay? So it's your choice. It's up to you. You can close your heart off from the rest of the world and all the men in the world, or you can leave your heart open but have your defenses up and hope for the best. Either you want to be single or you want to find a relationship. It's your choice.